Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the Practice Reading Aloud tool in the Read&Write browser extension. This feature is only available with the browser extension and does not appear in the desktop version of Read&Write. The Practice Reading Aloud tool is really useful for someone wanting to practice their reading and be able to review their recording to further improve in the future. The Practice Reading Aloud tool can be used with any piece of online text, whether it's a Word document, PowerPoint, or a web page with text such as BBC News. On the Read&Write toolbar, the Practice Reading Aloud tool is the person reading a book icon, and when you hover your mouse over, you can see the words Practice Reading Aloud appear. To use this tool or any other tools on the browser extension, click on the icon and a small dot will appear, and the icon will change colour to show you are currently using that feature. To use the Practice Reading Aloud feature, highlight the text you wish to practice reading. Then click on the Practice Reading Aloud icon and a new tab will open with the highlighted text and Practice Reading Aloud features. You can use the hover speech tool, the dictionary and picture dictionary tools, the text-to-speech tool, the web search tool, the screen masking tool, and the translator tool within the Practice Reading Aloud feature. It explains how you can record yourself reading, then stop the recording when you want to. You can then listen back over the recording and re-record yourself if you wish. Once you're happy with your recording, you can send it to your teacher by emailing the clip to them or copying the link and sending them the link via email or Teams. If in the settings under the Accounts tab you have signed in with your college email, you can find a folder called Text Help in your OneDrive that has a Practice Reading Aloud folder where all your audio recordings are saved. So that is the Practice Reading Aloud feature in the Read&Write browser extension. For more help on how to use the other Read&Write toolbar features, please check out the other videos. Thanks for watching.